You're hearing my voice because it was generated with this scene. Not added later. It's part of the moment. There's no voice actor behind this. No recording booth. Kling 2.6 audio generates the voice and the visuals together.
I know you think this voice was added later, but it was created with me, right in the moment.
Motion, atmosphere, sound, generated in one pass by Kling 2.6 audio. Not even my lab can create something like this!
I sing when the scene calls for it. I maintain the melody flawlessly. The voice follows the story automatically.
All of these videos were generated using the new Kling 2.6 audio model on Higgsfield. And what makes this model stand out is how naturally it combines visuals, motion, and sound into a single generation process. Instead of treating audio as something you add later in post-production, Kling 2.6 audio generates the voice, ambience, and timing together with the video, which keeps everything aligned from the very first frame. To start creating Kling 2.6 videos, head over to Higgsfield.ai. The homepage might look a little busy at first, but don't worry, the process is really simple. Hover over the Video tab and click Kling 2.6. Now you're in the video creation interface. There are a lot of options, but you can actually create a video right away. Just write a simple prompt. It doesn't have to be overly detailed. I'll share some prompt tips later. Once your prompt is ready, you can choose whether to include audio, set the video duration, either 5 or 10 seconds, and pick the aspect ratio. 16:9 works for horizontal videos, and 9:16 is perfect for vertical ones. The interface will show how many credits it will cost. In this case, for a 10-second Kling 2.6 video, it will cost 20 credits. Next, click Generate. Now we wait a short moment, usually about a minute, until the video is ready. You can even queue multiple videos at once, which makes the production process surprisingly fast. Once the video is ready, you can download it or even upscale it. Let's check out the result of this simple prompt.
The dragon root potion is nearly ready.
The video turned out great. You can see that even with a relatively simple prompt, the result is detailed and the voice matches the character perfectly. You can also create narration-style videos without any character speaking directly on screen. This works especially well for things like product explanations, event commentary, or storytelling. For this example, let's generate a scene about an alien panther on an alien planet, almost like an alien nature documentary.
Here, beneath twin moons, the purple cheetah roams its domain. Built for speed and silence, every step is a balance of power and precision, perfectly adapted to this luminous world.
You can already see how easy it would be to create fantasy documentaries or similar types of content with this workflow. But Kling 2.6 audio can also make non-human characters talk. For example, using nearly the same prompt, we get a very similar clip, but this time, the voiceover is fully lip-synced to the panther.
Here, beneath twin moons, the purple cheetah roams its domain. Built for speed and silence, every step is a balance of power and precision, perfectly adapted to this luminous world.
Even though it's a non-human character, the mouth movement, timing, and expression all stay aligned with the narration. You can also use a reference image to guide your video generation. And if you don't already have one, you can create it directly on Higgsfield using one of the text-to-image models. Let's use Banana Nano Pro as an example. Just type in what you want to see. You can keep it very simple or be as specific as you like. Let's do cinematic shot of a dragon warrior standing on a cliff and see what results you can get with a simple prompt like that. Before we click Generate, let's select an aspect ratio. If we want to do 16:9 video, it's best to use 16:9 aspect ratio when generating the reference image too. Then let's select a batch size, which is how many separate images we will generate at once. Finally, we can select 2K quality for higher resolution and click Generate. Even with a prompt this simple, we already get 4 really strong image options to choose from. For the video, I'm going to select this one. It's a warrior with a dragon head and a dragon tail, essentially a fully realized dragon warrior character. What's impressive here is how cinematic it already looks straight out of the image generator. You can see natural lens glare, a shallow depth of field, and a soft blur in the background, which helps separate the character from the environment. Details like that make the image feel much more like a frame from a movie rather than just a static AI-generated picture, which is perfect as a reference when we move into video generation. Once you have your image, you can use it as a reference for Kling 2.6, which gives you much more control over the character, the style, and the overall look of the video. Simply click Upload Image, select the image you want, and then write your video prompt. When you're using a reference image, the prompt can actually be even simpler than when you're starting from scratch.
I am the chosen one. I will become the king of dragons.
And that's the result from a simple prompt. It already looks great. So let's go over a few prompt tips to really push this further. One of the easiest ways to write great prompts is to use the prompt examples from the Higgsfield blog. You don't have to reinvent anything. Just find a prompt you like, copy it, and paste it into ChatGPT. From there, you can simply ask ChatGPT to keep the same structure and format, but adapt it to whatever idea you have in mind. For example, if you want to create an ASMR-style video of a red-hot knife cutting through a watermelon, you can take an existing prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and ask it to rewrite the prompt around that concept. Once ChatGPT gives you the updated prompt, you just copy it again and paste it directly into the Kling 2.6 audio prompt section. With that alone, you can already get results like this. For videos that include dialogue, you can use the prompts from the Kling Video 2.6 user guide and follow the exact same process I just showed you. Pick a prompt you like, adapt it to your idea through ChatGPT or any other large language model, and you're good to go. I'll leave all the relevant links in the description, so you can find everything easily and try it out yourself. Higgsfield is offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 12th. And even after December 12th, Higgsfield still has excellent deals and remains the most affordable option compared to competitors. In fact, generating Kling 2.6 audio videos on Higgsfield can be anywhere from twice to 10 times cheaper than on other platforms.